The book of Exodus, chapter 5. Moses and Aaron finally went to Pharaoh and said, "This is what the Lord, the God of Israel, says: Let my people go, so they may hold a festival to me in the wilderness." But Pharaoh replied, "Who is the Lord that I should obey him and let Israel go? I don't know this Lord, and I will not let Israel go." Moses and Aaron insisted, "The God of the Hebrews has met with us. Please let us go 3 days into the wilderness to worship him, or he may punish us." Pharaoh grew angry. He accused Moses and Aaron of distracting the people from their work. Then he gave a cruel new order: "Don't give the Israelites any more straw for making bricks. Let them gather their own straw, but still demand the same number of bricks as before. They are lazy, that's why they cry out to go and sacrifice to their God." So the taskmasters and overseers forced the Israelites to scatter across Egypt to gather stubble for straw. Yet they were still beaten and pressured to meet their daily quota. When the Israelite foremen complained to Pharaoh, he mocked them, saying, "You are lazy. That's why you want to go worship the Lord. Now get to work. No straw will be given, but you must still produce the full amount of bricks." The foremen left in despair and found Moses and Aaron. Angry and bitter, they said, "May the Lord judge you. You have made us stink before Pharaoh and his officials, and you have given them a reason to kill us." Moses turned to God, troubled and discouraged. He prayed, "Why, Lord, have you brought trouble on this people? Why did you even send me? Since I went to Pharaoh, he has only made things worse, and you have not rescued your people at all." Sometimes, when we step into God's plan, things get harder before they get better. The Israelites felt crushed, and even Moses doubted. But God was still in control. Deliverance was coming, but first, Pharaoh's pride and power would be tested.